Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wheel bearing on Toyota Tundra, updated. Remove the wheel, brake caliper, rotor, and hub nut, then unbolt the hub assembly. Use a puller or press to remove the old bearing, clean the knuckle, install the new bearing with proper seating, and check ABS sensor connections. Reassemble in reverse order, torque to factory specs, and test drive to confirm no noise or looseness. I'll walk you through the tools and parts needed for a smooth bearing swap. Gather a torque wrench, bearing press or puller, impact sockets, breaker bar, and a dial indicator if you plan to check runout. Buy the correct OEM or high-quality aftermarket bearing and grease. Check hub nut and wheel studs for wear. Have rags, brake cleaner, and a bearing packer or grease gun handy before starting the job. Quick recommendation: if you like this practical walkthrough, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-repair cleanup effortless and kind of fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. I may earn a small commission that helps fund tools. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by safely lifting and supporting the truck, then remove the wheel and brake components. Unthread the hub nut, disconnect ABS wires, and unbolt the hub assembly from the knuckle. Press out the bearing assembly and inspect the hub and spindle for damage. Replace any worn parts. Install the new bearing with even pressure, torque the hub nut to spec, reassemble brakes and wheel, and perform a short test drive to verify silence and stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.